Hey folks, let's do today's CSS Daily Target. All right, a truly interesting shape. All right, so how do we do it? What's the technique that we'll use? Trying to look and see what the patterns are. Seems like this part here is kind of a regular pattern. The fact that it's inset means that we need either an element or to use the nested template in the body. Let's do a piece at a time. I think, okay, here's what we're gonna do. I think that this is got a border of solid and blank, and then border width is going to be 0, 40 pixels, 40 pixels, like that, roughly. I'm going to put this background on the body and put the margins on the element itself. Push this down 45, 50. That sure looks close. I'm going to remove the pinkness. Yeah, removing the pinkness. And now we need to be taller by 30, 40, 50, 60. Great. And wider, so less margin on the sides, 40, 50, 40, 30, 20, 25, 15, 17, 12, all right. Okay, so that's that shape. So can we do, we might be able to do the rest of it with a conic gradient, but we've got a problem. Well, let's just do it. Well, let's do one segment of the conic gradient. Which I believe is going to be a repeating conic gradient. Green, 0, 25%. Whoops. Oh, I've entered the multiple edit mode, and it's not something I do very often, or I don't do at all, so I don't know how to get out of it. Now we're out of it. Okay. And the color stops are 0, 25, goodness. 0, 25%, and then 25%, 50%. Okay. And I think this could be a 0, is that true? Yes. Okay. And if I remove that, then I get that. Okay, so that's why we need that. All right, so we've got, so I'm gonna create this shape. This one here that's on the body. Ready? Here we go. Let's move it over. $200 over, and then down 40 pixels. I want this part, so we need to at 80%, 40 pixels or something. Probably wrong. That's fine. All right. Not over as much. How about 150, 140? There we go. And then down to 50, 50. And then let's make this taller. 160. Wider. 160. And then that app percentage, let's do 100 pixels. 110, 20. All right, Now we'll let it repeat. What happens? Okay. That's kind of good. However, you'll notice we don't get everything that we want. We also need to add. I'm going to do an inset box shadow. And actually, if I do color here, I can do box shadows on this guy. And Q 1 inch 0 minus 2 inches 0, and then 2 inches 0. No, 0, 2 inches. All right. So I added a box shadow, set the color here. I could also set it on the paragraph element itself. Oh, no, I couldn't. Oh, yeah, I could. I need a semicolon there. All right, that's not too crazy. Let's submit that and see if we got it. I think we did. Maybe an odd solution. Yeah. Let's minify and unit replace, and we'll have done it. We'll have done this solution. Techniques here, the repeating conic gradient gives us this pixelated business. Ats give us a center within it so that it's asymmetric. The position and then the size give us an additional part of that. I think probably we could do percent here and shave a few characters. Not really vital. A nicety though. Heights, borders, widths, border widths. I believe we can remove pixels as a unit to the border width. And with those changes, we cut down our character count a little bit more. Not under 200 characters, but still perfectly acceptable score. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. We get to see box shadows and different things you can do with differing borders, the repeating conic gradient. Bit of fun. Hope you're having a great day out there. It is a brutal time. Be kind to each other and always fight for what's right. All right. Bye-bye.